Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add fonts to Wix. So let's go to the browser first and go to your editor wix.com or editor page. Then you have to choose the text you want to edit. Then you'll find here edit text. Just click on this and you'll find here edit text. Click on edit text. Then you can see here fonts. Click on this fonts drop down menu and you'll find here upload fonts. Click on upload fonts and you'll find here again upload fonts. Click on this. Now you have to upload fonts. This is my font, TTF fonts. Click on open. It is uploading, so hold on. Here you can see that fonts has been uploaded. Now click on done. Now how you can apply these fonts? You have to click on edit text again. Click on fonts and scroll up and you'll find here my fonts. Here your fonts. You have to click on this, then you can apply these fonts like this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.